Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is JM Kaudo channel, and guys, we are coming live from Nyama Villa. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time. I remember there was a time that demolition was so rampant in Kenya, and then there is this estate in Kayole that suffered from this demolition, and well, it happened some months ago, but just visited this region and say, let me show you how it looks like after the demolition. So as you see, it's looks like, I know some of you say like inakaa kama Gaza. Yeah, there is that place in is it bordering Israel somewhere that has been having so much fight. So this is in Kayole, and it's next to Komarok, and you can see the demolition that has happened here. I think it's kind of discriminatory, because you see some of the apartments are standing tall, others got demolished. So from what I understand is that it was a kind of a disagreement over land. Some, I think in Kenya you can buy land, and then you find that that land is owned by someone else. So that is probably what happened, because you can see some plots demolished. You can see they have even collected the stones from the rubble. Yeah, others are still midway. So this is how it looks like Nyama Villa. Yeah, I know there are some of you who have been asking me to do this video. I'm sorry for delay. Yeah, I've been coming to this place is quite far from where I stay, but finally we are here. You can see how it looks like. I'm sorry for my camera. I know you guys have been complaining that my camera is not one of the best. It's some of the challenges we have to encounter, but bear with me, and please watch the video to the end, and please subscribe as I show you different parts of Nairobi. So this is Nyama Villa in Kayole, and as you can see, this is the state of the affairs in this region. And you can see, I think the developers who developed these properties, I can feel for them, the loss is quite huge. And well, let's just continue walking and show you how things look like. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and tell me what do you think. You can see there used to be a property there. You can see here all this demolished, and you can see this one is demolished and the other one is not demolished. The opposite is demolished, and then we have some that are standing. You can see there is a church over there. You can see that is a church. Yeah, so this is the state of affairs in Nyama Villa. You can see these ones are okay, nothing is happening to them. And then when you get on this other side, you can see this one is demolished, and then that other one is also partly demolished. Nyama Villa, this is how it looks like. I don't know whether this one was demolished, or maybe someone, the owner, kind of stopped developing the property after kind of knowing that it's a long con. Alright, so Nyama Villa is a neighborhood in Nairobi, Kenya. For those who don't know, we are coming live from Nairobi, Kenya in Africa, and just showing you how this place looks like. Okay, so please do me that favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. My name is JM Kaundo, a content creator from Nairobi, Kenya. Try to grow, so if you are generous enough, you can support me. You can join my membership, and you can also tell me which other place you want me to visit, and of course your wishes are my command. For those who have been waiting for this video, I'm sorry I delayed, but finally we are here, and this is the state of affairs in Nyama Villa in Nairobi County. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. You can see this side looks a bit okay, not much is happening. In fact, you can see there is quite a number of activities, much business is happening, but from that other side that we are in, most of the apartments demolished, and I can almost tell that the ones that are standing, they might be also facing a demolition. So that is the state of affairs in this region. And well, keep watching the video. I am walking around to see whether I can be able to discover more demolitions that happened and get to show you. So keep watching the video. We are doing a comprehensive tour of this place. So the apartments you're seeing on the other side, the ones that are looking very nice, the ones that I'm zooming my camera, is Komarok Heights. So that is the opposite side of Nyama Villa. So you can see they are looking very nice. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Let me zoom. I don't know whether my camera is not zooming very well, but as you can see, they are looking very nice. And I can see they are even looking to construct more. So we're gonna be doing a video from that side. Let's just keep walking on this side of Nyama Villa and show you how this place look like. Look at this. Yeah, some sides demolished, others, and you know that what happened. I think most of these that are demolished, I think they are the ones that built those plots, but they were sold the plots by maybe criminals. Let me say criminals, because if they bought and they had title deeds, because from the information that I got is that all these people that I developed here, they had title deeds, but probably they were given fake title deeds, then they developed. You can imagine that, all that huge loss. Look at this, all this, look from here to that other side, all this. Imagine all these people, and you can see now the worst scenario is that someone started developing a property. They develop to an extent that they start collecting rent, and then from nowhere the owner, or I don't know who, surfaces and claims that the property belongs to them. So well, some people doing businesses over here, and well, on this other side, things look very messy. Well, so this is the state of Nyama Villa. I think I have done enough walkabout to show you how things look like. There are even some nice apartments still in the same neighborhood. Well, so you guys tell me what you think about this state of Nyama Villa. And for those who had requested this video, Now you have it. You can now see how things look like. Very, very, very dire situation. Hopefully the owners can get justice, because you can imagine if you spend your money to buy this property, and then you get to lose it, and there is no compensation. So I think the people that fraudulently acquired money from them should be caught, taken to court, and made to pay for the injustice. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. We have now gotten to the main road, and we are heading home. So this is the main road. I think this road is the one that is heading to, you can see there's a mall over there, matatus,